a mouse, cause I'm an albatross.
Hello students, today we are going to solve question number 13 in page number 156. Radha and Vikas were in partnership, sharing profits and losses in proportion of 3:2 respectively. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 stood as follows. Now we will read the adjustment. On 1st April 2019, Om was admitted to the firm on the following terms. Premises were to be valued at 3,40,000. So tick mark premises. Furniture and fixtures at 20,800. Tick mark furniture and fixtures. A provision for bad debts of rupees 2,000 was to be made. So it is RDD. A provision for bad debts of 2,000 was to be made. It is called new bad debts. So tick mark debtors. Stock should be revalued at 58,000. Tick mark stock. Om should bring in rupees 80,000 as capital and rupees 20,000 as his share of goodwill, and it was retained in the business, and he should be given 1/4 share in future profit. Now this is independent adjustment with respect to the new partner, that is O. The loan from Balu was repaid through NEFT. So tick mark loan from Balu. NEFT means bank, means you are making the payment online, so that is NEFT. So the loan from Balu was repaid through NEFT. NEFT, that is National Electronic Fund Transfer. It is one method of transferring the funds from one bank to another bank. Prepare profit and loss adjustment account. Now you can say profit and loss adjustment account, or you can call it as a revaluation account. Partner's current account and balance sheet of the new firm. So now we have to prepare 3 accounts. This revaluation account, then partner's current account. Now remember, when we are having a current account, you will not prepare 3 columns for partners. We will prepare partner's current account only for the old partners. Then we have bank account, we have goodwill account, then we have new balance sheet as on date 1st April 2019. The date will be the day when the new partner is admitted. Now we start posting. The first one is premises. So premises is rupees 2,80,000. Then you have furniture, which is 22,800. Stock 54,000. Debtors 18,200. Cash at bank, it is the opening balance of cash account. So this is particulars amount, it is the opening balance. So we write here 2 balance brought down. It's the opening balance, so which is cash at bank, which is 2,200. Then we have capital account. It is a fixed capital method, so we write capital directly in the liability side. Radha, which is 2 lakh rupees. Then Vikas, which is 1,20,000, and the new partner O. We will see what is the amount of O. Okay. Then current account balance is given to you. It is opening balance of current account. It is given the liability side. Liability side means the credit side. So we write by balance brought down 2,400, 2,800. Loan from Balu, it is a liability, so loan from Balu, loan from Balu, which is 40,000. Loan from Balu, it is given 40,000. Then creditors, it is 12,000. Now we come for adjustment. On 1st April 2019, Om was admitted to the firm on the following terms. Premises were to be valued at 3,40,000. The value of the premises is 3,40,000. The value of the premises is 3,40,000. See, the opening 2,80,000, closing is 3,40,000. So the premises value is increased. So we call it as appreciation. 2,80,000. This is 3,40,000. It is appreciation. 60,000. If you add 60,000 in 2,80,000, you will be getting 3,40,000. It is an appreciation. It is an increase in the value of asset. It is a profit. So we write in revaluation account credit side by premises 60,000. Then furniture and fixtures at rupees 20,800. Furnitures and fixtures rupees 20,800. Furnitures and fixture 20,800. So old value, opening value is 22,800. Closing is 20,800. So there is a decrease in value. It is called depreciation, which is 2,000. So depreciation 2,000. Depreciation is loss for the business. So we write on debit side 2. We can write here 2. Furniture 2,000. Then a provision for bad debt of rupees 2,000 was to be made. So this is a bad debt. We can write here bad debt, or we can write here new RDD. It's a new RDD, 2,000 rupees. So in the outer column you will have 16,200. It is new RDD, 16,200. Second effect, RDD is a loss for the business. RDD is a loss for business. So we write in revaluation account debit side to RDD account, which is 2,000. Then we have stock should be revalued at rupees 58,000. The value of the stock is 58,000. So the 54,000, now it has become 58,000. So it is appreciation. The value of stock is increased. So it is appreciation. Second effect, revaluation account credit side by stock account, which is 4,000. Stock account by 4,000. Then Om should bring in rupees 80,000 as capital. So the journal entry for it will be cash or bank account debit to Om capital account. So cash or bank account debit. So cash or bank account debit to Om capital account, which is 80,000. We have not prepared the capital account, so this capital will be shown directly in the liability side. So cash or bank account debit, to Om's capital account, that we will show directly in the liabilities. Now if you add this, you will be getting 4 lakh rupees. If you add this, you'll be getting 4 lakh rupees, and 20,000 as a share of goodwill, and 20,000 as a share of goodwill is brought in cash. So the entry will be cash or bank account debit to goodwill account. So cash or bank account debit, cash or bank account debit to goodwill account, which is 20,000. Second effect, goodwill account credit side by cash account, which is 20,000. Then you have to distribute among the all partners. So the entry will be goodwill account debit to all partners capital account, all partners current account we are having. So we write here Radha current account and Vikas current account. So the ratio is given as 3:2. So distribute 20,000 in the ratio 2:3. So 20,000 into 3 upon 5, 20,000 into 2 upon 5, 5 fours are, so you will be getting 12,000 and you will be getting 8,000. So the posting, goodwill account debit side to Radha current account, to Vikas current account, 12,000 and 8,000. Second effect, partners current account credit side by goodwill account, 12,000 and 8,000. By goodwill account, 12,000 and 8,000. The loan from Balu was repaid through NEFT. So the loan is paid. So loan is paid. So your loan becomes nil. So the journal entry for loan paid is loan account debited to cash or bank account, as it is paid through NEFT. So cash will go from a bank account. So cash or bank credit side. So in cash or bank account credit side, we write here buy loan from Balu, which is 40,000. So first effect, loan from Balu 40,000 less paid 40,000. Second effect, bank account credit side by loan from Balu 40,000. So now you have to close the account. All adjustments over. So we will first close the revaluation account. So total debit side total is 4,000, credit side total is 64,000. So from this it is very clear credit side is heavier. So write 64,000 on both the side. 64,000 minus 4,000, you will get 60,000. This is the profit which will be transferred to partners current account, Radha and Vikas. Distribute 60,000 in the ratio 3:2. So you will be getting 36,000 and 24,000. This 60,000 into 3 upon 5, 60,000 into 2 upon 5. So you will be getting 36,000 and 24,000. Posting, second effect, credit side of partner's current account by revaluation account. In bracket you write profit. The amount is 36,000 and 24,000. Now we close the partner's current account. So 36, 48, 50,400, 34,800, 50,400, 34,800. Two balance carry down. It's a balancing figure, 50,400, 34,800. Second effect will show in the liability side. Current account Radha and Vikas, 50,400, 34,800. On adding this, 85,200. Same way, close bank account. 1,02,200, 1,02,200. So 80,200, 82,200. Sorry, 62,200. This is by balance carry down. So we write here in balance sheet asset side, cash at bank 62,200. Now close the goodwill account, 20,000, 20,000.
Still looking at me.